Good morning and happy Saturday to all my hoodies. I hope everybody is having a wonderful morning. I want you guys to take a look at this video footage and please comment in the comment section below, and let me know what you think about this video. It just had me tickled to death. And I don't know how many of y'all remember the TV show In Living Colors, but do y'all remember the handyman and his saying, never underestimate the powers of the handicapped? Lord, check this video out, y'all.
Uh-oh, here we go. What the fuck is going on, bro? Oh, bro, what the fuck? Bro, she got one leg, bro. What in the world is going on? Look at her, bro. She stood up, bro. She stood up. What in the world is going on? Man, this shit is crazy, man. What? I don't know, man. What the fuck? Oh, man. Look at my boy back. My boy back. My boy back. My boy back. Go, say she go.